Here's this water heater. It's from Ariston. It is of 30 liters. It looks like this. It has a thermostat. It's a mechanical one. It's made in Italy. 1500 watts of electricity. Long life. So it's an electric water heater. It's also designed in Italy. That's the thermostat, which is here. You can regulate the temperature of the water. That's the inside. It has a magnesium anode. That's the A, that is for protecting the interior of the heater. The magnesium anode is corroded more and not the interior. B is the heating element. This is the heating element. D is the insulation, some kind of foam, and C is the thermostat. So the hot water should go, let's say, to a sink and to a shower. Maximum working pressure 8 bar, well protected inside. So let's see what's inside. By the way, you can lift it with one finger, it's not too heavy. Nothing inside. That's a pressure relief valve, I think. That's the back side. 2 hooks should go there. And that's the front. And that part should be up and currently is down. Has a manual. It has something more here. As these are included. So it has this part and a few small screws. That's for the cable. That's for the front, I think. There. It's filled. You can hear the metal sound also echoing. It has a label here on the bottom. So this goes there. You need 2 large screws here and there. This is where the foam was inserted. That's on the bottom. By the way, this is a dust magnet. It's plastic. So I lifted it up from that hole. And that's inside. So electricity should go there and outside there. Outside there. So here's a wire. It goes through there. Those green things are the heating elements, 2 parts. The magnesium thing is inside, so when you need to replace the heater, you need to remove these. You have a ground. This cable holder should go there. Using those screws. 2 screws are for fixing the front cover also. You can blow air in one and it comes out on the other one. Cold water inlet must be fitted with a pressure limitation device. So probably is this one, which has a valve. You can blow through it. This end is blocked. It has a spring there. This is plastic inside. This is metal inside. On this side we have two connectors and a lamp. This is moving freely. Those two connectors probably go there. They are empty inside. This goes from the left side. It clicks and it goes till there. So the light itself is the indicator. That's the minimum and that's the maximum.